The Samsung S22 Ultra screen is damaged. Let's begin by tearing it down. Remove the back cover. Protect the rear camera blue lens with ESD stickers. Remove the 5 screws securing the NFC and wireless charging coil shield. Disconnect the NFC and wireless charging connectors. Immediately disconnect the battery connector. Next, remove the 3 screws on the antenna cover with the proximity sensor. Disconnect the connector and take it out. Disconnect the front camera connector and remove it. Disconnect the antenna flex cable, dock charging cable, display cable, etc. Remove the 5G antenna flex cable. Unscrew the screw fastening the main board. Hold the motherboard with tweezers and lift it out. Remove the screw securing the earpiece speaker and take it out. Also, remove the screws holding the other 5G antenna flex cable. Take out the 5G antenna flex cable. Move to the bottom side. Remove the screws securing the loudspeaker module. A total of 6 screws need to be removed. Take out the loudspeaker module by hand. Disconnect the signal flex cable, charging cable, and display flex cable. Remove the 3 screws on the charging port board. Use tweezers to pry up from the side and lift it out. Finally, use a pry bar to pry up the battery. In the next video, we will demonstrate how to replace the screen. Bye.